Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video we are gonna make a basic time freeze mechanic in Unreal Engine 5. So, if you follow my videos, I created an interface. So, I'm just at a function in this interface. Let's call it time freeze and compile. So, let me delete and call it again. So, in time freeze, what we want to do, we want to change global time dilation. Normally it's 1. If it's 0, the whole world is freeze. So let's change it like a really small value, and in one keyboard event, let's call it time freeze. And let's look. So, as you can see, our character, the platform object, all of them is slowed. So, if you want to slow whole world except our character, what we need to do, we have to call custom time dilation, and this value and this value will multiply. Like if I want to set characters time dilation to 1, I have to set this custom time dilation to 10, because 0.1 multiplied 10 is 1. Multiply this and this, it has to be 1. Okay, let's try again. As you can see, object slowed, but character is normal. How we turn back to normal? Just set them to 1. I'm pressing 1, it loads, and when I released, it's turned back normal. Or we can use flip-flop like this. So why I did in interface, why I didn't make like this way? Because I want to create also a boost, like speed boost. So let's create this. Let's create an object and call it BP freeze boost. Add a static mesh, add a box not full of box collision. On actor components begin overlap is equal to our player. If branch true, time freeze. But when we interact our boost, time never back normal. Let's fix that. Let's let's set a delay, or let's just create another function in interface TimeFreeze done. And copy it. And like delay, I wonder if delay is breaks, I don't know. Let's look. Maybe global time dilation is also affects delay. So let's change this to 0.5 and try again. Yep. Global time dilation also affects this delay, so we have to multiply this time dilation, and delay is our real delay, so or divide, probably divide, like delay when we divide the delay with global time dilation is our real delay. So if I divide this gonna be 20, okay, 20 seconds. So we need to set this like this, and this gonna be 2 seconds. Okay, I hope I can explain, but that's it. I hope you like it. See you next time.